Hi, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can create glitter letters in Canva, and there will be two methods that you will see in this tutorial. So let's start with the first method, which is by using something called frames. So frames in Canva is almost like a placeholder where you could put a picture or maybe a video into that section, and usually the frame will have different shapes, different sizes, and they are some of them actually come in the shape of a letter, and we can use that to put a glitter texture into the text. Let me show you how. So first you have to navigate to the element section and you want to search for frame letter, and it will show you this section that says frames. You can click see all, and this will reveal all sort of text that you could insert into your document. So I'm going to start with, let's say, letter A, and then B, and then maybe C. Okay, so let's put it here. Okay, I think this is good enough. Now the next thing that you can do is, still in the element section, you want to search for glitter texture. Usually we will get the best result on the photo section. So you want to go to photos, and you could insert the glitter effect into these frames. So let's start with the color pink, and you could do the same for this. You could do the same for this, or you can also use a completely different color, and you can also double click on it, and then you can select which section of the glitter that you want to show on this text. So this is the first method, and there's another method that I think slightly easier. So let me remove this, and I'm still on the element section. You want to search for the letter and then with glitter. So for example, I want to search the letter H, and I'm going to just type the keyword glitter, H glitter, and then on the graphic section you will see that option. There are plenty of different styles, and the best thing about it is that it's usually will have other letters with similar result or similar style. For example, you can see that on the magic recommendation right here. You'll see all the same letters but have the same style. So they have all different letters but the same style. Or you can also just type the letter that you want, let's say the letter P, and you will see this result, which is again very similar to the one that we have before. So yeah, that's how you can get a glitter letter in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.